I'm Audrey Snyder, and I'm an attorney at Black Law. So I moved and lived in a lot of different places as I grew up, and going to lots of new schools as a child, you become very much used to change and the ability to adapt to different situations and different types of people. Being the oldest, you kind of fall into a certain role with parents and with siblings, and I was very much the keeper of my family in a way that helped me to understand how to care for others, particularly how to empathize with others and be able to put myself in their shoes. Being able to sit with someone in their circumstances, particularly where they're in pain or when they're hurting, being able to really listen and hear what people are going through is probably what I took the most from just the way that I grew up. Growing up in kind of a divorced family, I was drawn to the idea of being a counselor because I wanted to be able to help and serve other people through difficult times. So I shadowed some counselors and some psychologists and realized that it wasn't a great fit for me. And that's probably because I really wanted to be able to help people in more of a tangible way. And through a couple courses that I took in college, it was a good fit for me to use the law to change people's circumstances. So that led me to going to law school. And I became very, very passionate about helping people who have been injured to no fault of their own. There are so many dangerous products or hazardous chemicals in our environment, and there are a lot of ways that make it easy, unfortunately, for companies and employers to cut corners and using those products or those chemicals. So I have the unique privilege of being able to come alongside people that have been injured by those dangerous products and change people's circumstances. What I do on a day-to-day basis can be really draining. I'm usually walking with people that are either dying or have just lost a loved one. So I think it's important to stay filled, so to speak, and the Holy Spirit and my faith certainly does that on a day-to-day basis and helps me to be able to give more to my clients where I know that without my faith I wouldn't be able to do that. Seek justice, give generously, and love lavishly. I'm Audrey Snyder, counselor at law.